Hey folks, I see that you all came to see what's new in the tech world that we live in. Well, the Grand X has been refreshed. It will now include a man-filled processor and Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich, powered by an Atom Z2460 processor and expected to have HSPA plus speeds up to 21 Mbps. Also featuring a 4.3-inch screen that packs in a resolution of 960 by 540. You can take great pictures with the back facing 8 megapixel camera and get past at least one day with the 1650 mAh battery. The Grand X will arrive in Europe next month. And moving on to something different, you can buy a 500GB and 1TB My Passport device and pricing around $99 and all the way up to $200 for the 2TB portable drive. They will feature a Mac style coating as well. We end today's tech news video with specs about Lenovo's IdeaPad S110. The IdeaPad S2 will feature a 10.1-inch screen that packs in a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels. It will indeed have an IPS display. It will also be running Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich on a quad-core dual-core 80608 CPU. This was clocked at 1.5 GHz. Take decent pictures with a 1.3 megapixel front-facing camera and take good pictures with a video with the 5 megapixel rear-facing camera. You can choose either 16GB or 32GB storage. There's the option to buy the optional keyboard dock. This will set you back around $399, but with the dock it will set you back $499. That's it for today's tech news. If you need to know more, then check out our website, which should pop up right now as well as in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share and comment, and we see you all in the next video.